If you love matcha, this is for you. This antioxidant rich powder is also great for skincare. Today I'll show you two DIY recipes to harness matcha's benefit for your skin. So let's start by making our first recipe, skin firming matcha cream. First, you will need 1 tablespoon of shea butter. This natural butter is widely used in skincare products. It's so amazing. It's known for its moisturizing and nourishing properties. And it's also rich in vitamins A and E, which makes it perfect for soothing and hydrating your skin. So add the shea butter to your mixing beaker. Up next, you will need 2 teaspoons of almond oil, which is another fantastic oil for hydrating and soothing the skin. Almond oil is also packed with vitamins E and K, helping the skin retain moisture and reduce inflammation. So go ahead and add the almond oil to the shea butter. We're going to melt this, so cover the beaker to protect it from any water getting in it. This ensures that no water contaminates our mixture during the heating process. To gently melt our ingredients, I am using a double boiler method. This method prevents the shea butter and almond oil from getting too hot, which could destroy their beneficial properties. So place the pan on the stove and turn on the heat to medium. It's important to use a moderate temperature to avoid overheating the ingredients. Once melted, carefully remove the beaker from the pan and stir very well to ensure that the shea butter and the almond oil are well combined and that the shea butter has completely melted. Now let's prepare our star ingredient, which is matcha. Measure out 1 teaspoon of matcha powder, rich with antioxidants to rejuvenate your skin. Matcha also has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce redness and irritation. Add the matcha powder to the melted oils and stir very well. Cover the mixture and let it cool until it starts to firm up. I prefer to place mine in the fridge because it's quicker, especially in the summer. So once your mixture has solidified a little bit, take it out of the fridge if you keep it there and whisk it using a hand mixer. Now let's prepare 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. Known for its soothing and hydrating properties, aloe vera gel is rich in vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that help nourish and repair the skin. So add the aloe vera gel to the whipped mixture and mix it all together until it's fully combined. By the way, I have two videos on my channel about how to make aloe vera gel at home. So if you're curious and want to learn how to make aloe vera gel at home by yourself, go check them out. I'm sure you will find them useful and love them. Again, let your mixture cool and let it firm a little bit before giving it a final whisk. This is gonna give us the creamy texture that we are looking for this cream, just as you can see on the screen. And here you are, you just made your own matcha face cream. This cream is gonna do magic on your skin. I guarantee it's gonna help you get rid of those fine lines. It's gonna firm your skin, and eventually you'll get rid of wrinkles and have a really beautiful, young-looking look. Use it every day for best results, and store it in the fridge so it lasts about 2 weeks. Now let's move on to the next recipe, an anti-aging matcha serum. We'll start by preparing our matcha infusion. Start with 2 tablespoons of chamomile hydrosol, known for its calming and soothing properties. Add half of teaspoon of matcha powder to the hydrosol and mix well to create our matcha infusion. Mix very well to ensure that the matcha is completely dissolved and let it set for 10 minutes to allow the matcha to infuse. After 10 minutes, strain the mixtures through a cheesecloth or strainer to remove any matcha granules. To ensure that your final serum is smooth, strain again to make sure you get rid of any matcha residue. Now let's prepare the part that's going to make this serum a serum, our gelling agent. So measure out 2 teaspoons of glycerin, which is a great humectant that attracts moisture to your neck, to your skin. Next, measure half of teaspoon of xanthan, a natural gelling agent that helps to gelify liquid. Add the xanthan to the glycerin and mix very well to prevent any crumbs from forming. Pour your glycerin and xanthan gum mixture to the matcha infusion to create our gel. Mix it all together until everything is fully combined. Let your mixture sit until it thickens to a gel-like consistency. And this is how it looks like after sitting for 3 hours. It has this beautiful jelly consistency. And here you have it. You've just made your own matcha homemade serum. Transfer the serum in a clean dropper bottle and keep it in the fridge for freshness. It will last up to 2 weeks. And this is it for today. If you enjoyed this DIY skincare recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. So until next time, stay beautiful and keep glowing. Bye.